Hi everyone, so I want to give you guys a heads up on this eBay seller Pallaszg. I've ordered from him in the past and I was lucky that the models weren't broken, but he seems to continue the poor packing practice that he does. And so this time around, half of my models got damaged. So 3 of 6 models were broken because these things are so loosely packed inside of a weak cardboard box. You'll see here, the box is not protected from rain or snow. So that's one problem that could have happened. But I think this thing was just crushed because it's so loosely packed. You'll see here the model is in a plastic case, but it's so loose. You see that yellow piece dangling around because the box is probably thrown around by the shipping companies. So if there's any looseness in the package, if you just drop a box, that box is moving at 9.8 meters per second squared. And newspaper doesn't protect anything from shock damage. So that's why no new products in the real world get shipped and wrapped in newspaper. It doesn't cushion anything. So you always want to pack stuff in foam or bubble wrap, and you want to pack the entire box tight so nothing can shift around, because that inertia causes a lot of damage sometimes. And then also, if you have any open spaces in a box, if the box gets crushed, it'll crush easier because there's no resistance. But if the box is fully packed tight, the box really can't get crushed, right? So, yeah, just thought I'd give you guys a heads up. I doubt I'm going to buy from this person again because this is the second time or third time I've seen the models packed this way, and it just doesn't make sense to me. He was good. He refunded me the money, don't get me wrong, but I still ended up paying for shipping for 3 broken models, which doesn't sound good for me. He obviously lost out a lot more, but it was his choice to ship it like this, which, again, make a decision for yourself just looking at this video if this looks like a safe way to pack stuff. I even wrote him an email explaining that you should pack things tight, waterproof it, also, use foam and bubble wrap. He's sold over 5,000 things. He's had a pretty good success rate, but unfortunately I was one of the unsuccessful rates, and so I don't think he's going to change his ways, which is fine if he wants to do that, but I just thought I'd share this with you guys because I don't want to see you guys buy a bunch of out-of-print models that you may have to consider buying again from a different person, and again paying for shipping costs. So, okay, well, I appreciate you guys checking this out, and make your own decisions, but I will continue to buy some more Kyoshos, that's for sure. Thanks, see you around.